What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight we're gonna start the video. I'm gonna be going over my Lasfit LEDs. Shout out to Lasfit. They sent me out a new kit, and with the new kit, it's going to have two different modes where you can have the yellow fogs as well as the white LEDs. The set that I had originally, once I switched over, was some Lasfit LEDs, and I was running them, had them for about 2 years, wasn't having any issues. And then when I took my trip to Georgia, I believe it was the passenger side, the actual entire glass just shattered, and so it held up for a while. Until I actually tapped it, and then it actually broke in. And then once it broke in and moisture got in, then that light was no good. And so one of the homies, Pierre, shout out to you, Pierre, he sent me some replacement LEDs. Had an issue with the bulb of the one he sent me, so somebody else gave me an actual bulb, and so we switched to those. So I don't even know what I have in there right now, honestly. I'll ask the homie Ryan, because I believe he's the one that gave me those. So we'll ask him, because he's going to be installing the new ones. Ask him which ones those are, and we'll kind of go from there for that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what those ones are currently. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go over the fog lights. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the ones I have now. They do the job. They're nice and bright. But it will be nice to be able to switch it between this as well as the yellow, so I can have a traditional fog light. So I'll be doing the tests for the new ones once we get those installed. Not sure if I'm gonna be at Ryan's house long enough to catch it when it's dark or not just yet, but either way I can do the test here or there. Might do it in the garage depending on how it goes, but definitely also let me know what you guys think, and we can see the comparison, see which ones you like. But Lasfit has definitely done right by me so far. And like I said, the other ones I had them for over 2 years with no issues. And then the issue that arose was because of a rock. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So the next clip is going to be from tomorrow. We'll be going over the actual kit as well as going over what these fog lights are, or these lights that are in the fog. Alright, so we are here. Homie Ryan is hooking it up, doing the switchbacks. Like I said, there was nothing wrong with the fogs that are in there now, except for we don't remember what brand they are. Nah, the original one, remember, had an issue with one of them after that rock hit the fog light and it broke. Oh yeah. And we swapped it with that company. I think they sent you the bulbs. So yep. We'll go ahead and do that. Up. Better keep the camera down. I don't want to reveal the car in this video. Oh yeah. That's gonna be the next video. That was quick. Alright. They're not on. Oh. Let me go show them. Yeah. They definitely bright. So that's the Lasfit one right here. And that's the, I don't know, over here. I mean, they both super bright. There we go. And that one cannot do that.
Oh, so when you turn them off, they turn yellow.
Ah, okay. Well, that works. And there it's off. So when you turn just the fogs off, it'll turn yellow. But if you turn everything off, everything goes off except for the running daylights. I approve. Definitely on them foggy nights.
Auto right here.
Okay. That's usually what I run on auto.
Bro, look at them joints.
Yeah.
Hey, that's dope.
Right.
It's dope. I like it.
Oh yeah. Definitely shout out to Lasfit for that.
Definitely like it. I'm pretty sure we'll find it for them.
Oh yeah. Somebody gonna need them. I was like, why is it so bright back here? Alright. Alright. So we got it set. Had some tricky switching issues. We had one where this one will be yellow, that one will be white, and vice versa. But we finally got them in sync. And they are working. So, yeah. Definitely shout out to Lasfit for sending these out. I'll put a link in the description down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, definitely shout out to them. Alright, definitely shout out to the homie Ryan for the install, as always. Next video is going to be going over the car that he actually got. I'm pretty sure I didn't show a clip of it, and we wasn't talking about it on this video, but that's the next video coming out. That should be on Monday. That does it for this video for the most part. Go ahead and do the comment of the day. Comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.